Workable hiring automation honest review. Watch before using. Most people get hiring software wrong. They assume it just stores resumes. The surprising truth about Workable is that it automates recruitment, tracks candidates, and streamlines the entire hiring process. And you won't believe how much time it can save HR teams. Here's how it works. Workable allows recruiters to post jobs to multiple boards, screen resumes using AI-powered tools, schedule interviews, and track candidate progress. Automated notifications and collaborative pipelines keep teams aligned. For example, a company hiring software engineers can quickly sort through hundreds of applications, flag top candidates, and coordinate interviews without manually emailing each applicant. Most people get this wrong. They think recruitment requires endless spreadsheets, but Workable centralizes everything efficiently. Additional features include candidate scoring, analytics on hiring trends, diversity tracking, and integration with HR systems. Users praise its automation, intuitive interface, and ability to scale recruitment for multiple roles. However, there are considerations. Pricing may be high for small businesses, and training is needed to use advanced features effectively. Most people assume hiring software is only for large companies. Workable is versatile for teams of all sizes. In conclusion, Workable is ideal for companies seeking efficient, automated, and structured hiring processes that reduce workload and improve candidate experience. Subscribe for more honest reviews of HR and recruitment platforms.